Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the login failed error on Coinbase in 2026. Are you seeing a login failed error on Coinbase? Here's how to fix it fast. Now, as you can see on my screen, this might be one of the errors you might be encountering of the login failed error messages. As you can see, it says error. Unfortunately, Coinbase is temporarily unavailable. Please check our status page for more details. Or you can even encounter errors like these. That means that the login was failed. Now, in order to fix this issue, the first thing you want to do is to double check your credentials. Make sure your email and password are entered correctly and watch for cap locks or extra spaces. You can do that by going to coinbase.com, and when you try to sign in, you can check your informations. You can also note them in a notebook or etc. to keep them saved. The second thing you want to do is to reset your password. If you're unsure, click on Forgot Password and create a new one. You can follow that procedure, and then Coinbase will send you an email in your inbox or Gmail account, and you can follow the steps to create a new password. You can try clearing the cache or try another browser if you're using an application on your mobile device. And if login still fails, just clear the browser cache or try a different browser. Also, you can update the app if you're using a mobile. You can update the Coinbase app to the latest version and check the account status. If you receive emails about restrictions or review, your account may require verification. You can also disable VPN. Using a VPN can trigger login errors due to security flags. So always enable two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized login attempts. And that's it. That's how to fix the login failed errors on Coinbase in 2026. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.